please unmute your mic and talk to me, because this is the first time which I'm using mic. In Mac, is there any tool that we can use like a paint in Windows? Because in Windows we have a paint tool, right? Similar to that in Mac, do we have anything? No? Okay, I will try to find a solution for it. Okay. Just a second. Huh. What about text? Do we need to write something? Okay. So how Docker works, let me tell you. Okay. Let's say this is my physical machine or a virtual machine. Okay. Here you have installed Docker. So how to write text? Yeah. Text. One more waste. Mm, oh, yeah. Okay, it's okay. So, okay. So simple, I will tell you. So Docker will be installed on this particular virtual machine or a physical machine, or you can install on Mac OS, or you can directly install on the Windows, or you can maintain on a Linux operating system. Okay, base operating system can be anything. It can be Unix operating system, it can be Linux operating system, it can be Mac OS, or it can be a Windows operating system where we can install Docker. Okay, so once a Docker is installed, you will be using a Docker tool, Docker command. Okay, Docker command will talk to the Docker daemon in the background service will be running. Okay, so when you execute a Docker command, that CLI will be talking to the Docker daemon, and Docker daemon will take the parameters which you have passed, and then it will create a container. Okay, so let's see the Docker installation. So you people are aware of this particular tool, Oracle VirtualBox.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, that's fine. So you know how to configure networking and everything, right? So that's fine.
Yeah.
So here, this is the virtual machine which I have already installed with Ubuntu 14.16.04 version. Okay. So here I am using two networks. One is NAT and one is host only adapter. Okay. Two networks I have enabled it. Because with NAT I cannot log in from outside, in the sense from PuTTY or whatever it is. Okay. Not from the geographical location I'm talking about. From my physical machine, if I want to log in to my virtual machine, I need to have a host on adapter or bridge adapter. Okay. So now I will start this particular, for this machine I have used 3.2 GB of RAM. This is operating system 16.04 Ubuntu, the network which I have created. Okay. So let me start this.
परसों machines connect करते हैं.
Hello, sir.
So you can also create one particular server with 16.04 version of Ubuntu.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hi.
Do you mind showing me how to launch a virtual machine on virtual workspace?
Installation you're talking about?
Yeah.
Okay, so you want to say like installing the virtual machine and maintaining the virtual machines and all, right? Oracle
Yeah, on
VirtualBox
virtual
and all.
box. Yeah.
Okay, tomorrow we'll start. Okay, so today we are
No
already
problem.
running out of time. We have only 10 minutes. Okay,
No problem.
so this is the operating system which I have. So I can connect to the internet. You can see that. There's some issue. Let me verify it. Hmm. Okay. So now we can see it is connecting to the internet. So without an issue. So this is the virtual machine where I will be using in order to install Docker. Okay. So if you want to have this particular virtual machine, so Oracle VirtualBox need to be installed first. Okay. So first of all, you need to install this Oracle VirtualBox. In order to install it, go to the browser, search in Google like Oracle VirtualBox download. Okay. So in the first link itself, it is the official link. So go to the www.virtualbox.org. So there you can see the downloads. Something went wrong with the internet. Okay. Someone can take an initiative and they can create a group. So this is the official website. You can go to the downloads. So maybe the downloads page is having some issue. So you can see later. So in the downloads, you can see there will be a session like latest version you will be having. Under that, we will have a separate link for Mac, for Windows, and for Linux. Okay. If you click on Mac, then you can download the latest one. So if you click on this, you can see. 5.2 is the latest version. Yeah, I got the download page. So here we can see, for you see, if my base machine is Mac, then I will be clicking on this particular link. If your base machine is Windows, then you need to click on it. Okay, and Linux, Solaris, like Unix operating system. Okay, so just download that particular link and this install. Next, install. Okay, after that I will tell you what need to be done from tomorrow. Okay, done. Okay.